Hi, this is Mr. Buffet, and I just wanted to introduce you today to a dialogic journal. We'll be using these kinds of journals quite frequently in this unit, and I wanted to give you a little help on how to do it right. First, take a look at the vocabulary. The vocabulary is going to have different words that you need to know for a particular part or page of the thing that we're reading. Now, you don't have to make parts of speech and all of that stuff. You don't have to have the definition and so forth. But if you don't know these words, they are going to come up again and again in what we're doing in literature, as well as in other classes. So I carefully chose these words. Uh, and so helping you understand that you need to be able to do these. Now, another thing is we've put up a page called Learner's Dictionary, a little link here at the top of the page. And so if you click that, it'll take you right to a great dictionary that you can use. It has easy to understand meanings for any of these words that we're using today. So after you understand all of these words and make sure that you know them kind of okay, kind of well, then next it's time to dive into the reading. So you read page 6, and I will hand out the article when you come to class. You read page 6, then the next thing you do is you answer the question. For right there kinds of questions, you're going to want to make a sentence. And the best way to do that is to use some font, bold it, and say, according to the author, a theme is, quote, blah, 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 from the article. And then don't forget citation. It's really easy because I already gave you it up here. It's right here. So I'm just doing the same thing, comma, page 6, period, you're good to go. And I watch my spelling, and there we go. I might even, to make it easier for everybody to see what I'm doing, put it in red. And so that's how you would go through these different questions. Now, in this text section, this is like trying to figure out what's important. So I'm helping you figure out what's important in this article to know. Then, sometimes you'll have right there questions and you answer with a sentence. Sometimes you have think and search, and you'll have to come up with an answer that's your own. And don't forget, you need to use some examples from the text to help you. And so it's going to be more than a couple sentences to write all of this. So, you just put it in here, and then don't forget, I kind of like it easy for the teacher to see. But the best way to do this is do vocabulary first, then your text questions, and then over here you have a reflection question that'll help you apply and use what you've learned here. So in this case, we've been talking about a theme. What is a theme? What is an illusion? Stuff like that. So one of my reflection questions is, I want you to think of your favorite TV show, your film or movie or music, and what are some themes that appear in your favorite kinds of TV, films, and music. If you know what a theme is, this should not be too hard. Just give some examples. In this case, you might just make a list. So you don't have to write a whole lot. Just make a list. Sometimes in a reflection, you'll have an author and me. Now here, you're going to have to write more than a couple sentences and make it clear so that the reader understands what you're talking about. What you're wanting to do is using things that you've learned here to help you answer and think about what has to go here. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, don't forget you can email me. Talk to me after class or before school. I'm always there for you. I hope you have a great day, and happy reading.